last year, and the issue was discussed regarding the merit marks. It was a rather bit late. When any policy decision is taken in the field of education, we have to communicate this matter to all the heads of the institution in advance. Sports policy, when it came into practice, we did the same thing, that we informed all the institutions in advance so that not a single student who participated in sports and awarded, he should not be denied sports marks. In the same way, in this art and culture, the activities which are conducted by them and by other organizations related or recognized by art and culture, the student participated, they should get the full benefit of cultural marks. If I would have been started in the mid of the year, 50% of the students would have been out of the marks. त्या खातीर हांव तुमकां इतलें 100% एश्युरन्स दिता न्ही तें जाल्ल्यातूच जमा आसा. गोवा बोर्डा कडेन तें मॅटर आसा. गोवा बोर्डा मॅटर एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटी कडेन तें एकदां आयलें. Some clarification they have asked, and within 1 month or 1.5 months, maximum 2 months, on 4th June, reopening day, you will come to know that merit marks, art and culture will be included to all the rewards. Directorate of Art and Culture. Once upon a time, they were the different sections of Education Department. ती म्हजी सेक्शन्स आशिल्ली. काम वाडलें, व्याप वाडलो, त्या वेळाचे सेक्शन्स वेगळी जाली. डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स वेगळें जालें, डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ आर्ट वेगळें जालें, लायब्ररी वेगळें जालें. कित्याक काम वाडलें, म्हाका आनंद जालो. आज सगळे तुमी हांगा आसात, म्हजी स्कुलांनी ते शिक्षण घेतात. आमी तुमचे कदर करतले. सपोज जर ह्या वर्साक जर भुरग्यांक खंय ही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळुना मेरीट मार्क्सांत, नेक्स्ट इयर आसा ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी. तुमी बरे पार्टिसिपंट्स आसात. तुमच्या आमी सदांच वॅल्युएबल सजेशन कितें आसा तें घेतले. सो स्पोर्ट्स मार्क्स जाले, तुमच्या आर्ट्स एंड कल्चर्स मार्क्स जाले. जे भुरगे वयर वतात ताका एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट सदांच हात दितले. इतलेंच न्हय, पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशना जे वता किंवा ग्रॅज्युएशना वता तांकां आमी हात दितात. आमचे कडेन एक स्कीम आसा, बर्सरी स्कीम म्हणून.